Hey Sarah, you ready to win?
Labyrinth, come in. Labyrinth.
Dude, do you even camera?
Come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup. Cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage, bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble and dust, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say, you better run! Yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah! I predict an earthquake up in here. Cause we throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just mess on it, yeah, mush from it. Hey, yeah! We can make an earthquake up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no ill.
That was sick.
You're fine! Get out!
So here we go.
Hey, yo, Labyrinth. This one's feeling like a straight 10 on the Richter scale, you know?
Yeah! Alright, he's out.
Fire. We about to set this place on fire. Without a match or light, I don't do girlfriends. One night let's make him see my...
I got a butterfinger! Would you put auto trigger in there?
I just phone up the designer, doing all nighters. No days on, great hairs and a low blow. I predict.
You make it.
Disturbing London,
I wish you knew parkour.
panicking. I be Nostradamus, this my nip.
Oh, hell yeah. I think the rolled off somewhere. Oh, 10% off stock. I was just kicking my shoe clean. Is there one right there? Oh, they end. Hey, reseal the eggs so they run for them, and then we shoot them. Yeah, and then we shoot them. Be like, and just yell, dude, that's the Tim and A5.